Here we have a Valet VL300 ducted vacuum system. Client brought the unit in today complaining of low suction. When we've removed the bottom plate, we can see that there's quite a bit of rust on the motors, and it looks like they've sucked up some water. From what we can see, one of the motors has completely failed, and we've advised the client to replace both because, as you can see, there's quite a lot of rust on the motors. We'll be replacing the motors with one of these ones here, which is an Amatec Italia flow-through motor at a cost of $185 each, plus a $50 service fee for us to pull the unit apart, total of $420. There'll be a 12-month warranty on the repair that we do today.